Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly apply Siser EasyPatterns HTV with a heat press. So I am ready to press onto my shirt. I have a J America glitter t-shirt right here, and we are going to be pressing our Siser EasyPatterns HTV. Now, I do have a video on how I cut this HTV, so check the link in the description where I talk about it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my heat press, which is my Stahl's Max Press. This is the 15 by 15 version. And I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to do a pre-press on my shirt. Now this will get rid of moisture and wrinkles, help us get a better, application of the vinyl onto this shirt. And it also helps me check to see if the pressure is okay on my machine. Now with your heat transfer vinyl, it needs to be applied with the proper temperature, pressure, and dwell time, or amount of time that heat is on it. So there are videos online where you can press this vinyl with a home iron. However, it is recommended to use a heat press for your best results, especially if you are thinking about selling your items. So this is my EasyPatterns. This is in the red chevron. And you can notice that this pattern vinyl already has the carrier on it. So when I cut it in reverse and weeded it, this carrier was on it the whole time. It's a little bit different than other printed vinyls you may find online where you have to cut it the normal way, weed it, then use tape to pick it up. The great benefit of this is that it already has the carrier on it, and this is going to be a hot peel. So my heat press is set to 305 degrees. Let's go ahead and cover this with our cover sheet, and now we're going to press it for 15 seconds. Alright, so my time is done. Let's go ahead and move this cover sheet, and we can go ahead and peel this carrier now. That's the great thing about this vinyl, is that you can peel it hot and get on with it. So you can see we have some good application here. If you look closely, you probably won't see it in your screen, but you can also see the texture of the vinyl coming through. That's a good sign with your pressure. It means that you have it applied very well. So this is the Siser EasyPatterns in red chevron. You can get it on our website at therhinestoneworld.com. Check the link in the description to purchase this vinyl. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube so you don't miss any more videos. And comment below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what other things you would like to learn in future videos.